In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Jotform. If your workspace is getting cluttered with old or seasonal forms, archiving is a clean, safe way to tuck them away without deleting anything important. Think of it as putting a folder on a shelf. It's out of sight, but you can bring it back whenever you need it, and all your submissions remain intact. First, head over to jotform.com. Once you're in your account and looking at your main dashboard, you'll land on the My Forms area where all your forms live. This is home base for everything you'll do today. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Click All. This shows every form you own in a single view, which makes it easy to find the one you're ready to archive. If you have a lot of forms, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to narrow things down by title or keyword. Now, find the form you want to archive and click it once to select it. You should see it highlighted, confirming that it's the active item. If you accidentally select the wrong one, just click a different form to switch your selection. Take a moment to double check you've got the correct form, especially if you have similar names. With the form selected, look for the More option. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a button on the right side of the form row or as a menu above the list. Click the More drop-down to reveal additional actions you can take on this form. This menu is where Jotform keeps helpful options that aren't shown by default. From that drop-down, click Archive. Jotform will immediately move the selected form into your archive, removing it from your active list without deleting it. You won't lose any submissions, settings, or design work. Archiving is ideal when you want to pause a form you're not actively using but might need later. If you're managing a team, this also helps reduce confusion by keeping only current forms front and center. That's all there is to it. Go to jotform.com, open all on the left, select your form, open the More drop-down, and choose Archive. If you don't see the All filter or the More button right away, try widening your browser window or scrolling. Sometimes those controls adjust based on screen size. And remember, archiving is reversible, so you can confidently keep your workspace organized without risking data loss. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra clarity in your Jotform dashboard.